Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. One time, before I began the sacrament of baptism, I tried to play with the baby. Nag-hi, hello kami, nag-close open, and also peekaboo. And after a while, I tried to extend both of my hands to test if he will go with me and allow me to carry him in my arms. And yes, he wanted me to carry him. Sumama sa akin yung baby, a complete stranger and somebody who has just met him for the first time. You know, dear friends, I think this is one of the characteristics of a childlike person whom Jesus said in the gospel. A child is so easy to place his trust on someone. Mabilis magtiwala, mabilis umasa, at mabilis magpaubaya. Sabi po, Jesus exclaimed, I give praise to you, Father, for although you have hidden these things from the wise and the learned, you have revealed them to the childlike and to the little ones. And again, Jesus encourages us in our gospel to always be childlike. Take note po ha, childlike, hindi childish. There is a very big difference. A childish is gullible, but a childlike is trusting. A childish is instinctual, while a childlike is intuitive. A childish is so easy to get, while a childlike is wise. In other words, to be childlike before God is to always and easily put our trust in Him. Madali ho ba ito? Hindi. Malapansin niyo ho ba na habang tumatanda tayo, napakahirap nating magtiwala sa iba. Unang tinuturo pagbata, don't talk to strangers. Ang hirap kayang magtiwala pag parang walang nangyayari sa ating mga panalangin. It's so hard to trust when every misfortune happens in our lives. And it's so hard to trust when there's no one to put our trust with, kung wala na tayong ibang inaasahan. But you know, this is precisely the point, that God always looks tenderly on those who trust in Him completely, and He reveals Himself to the childlike people. What then is our assurance that this trust won't go in vain? It is completely written in our psalm today. Ano nga po yung salmo natin? The Lord will not abandon His people. The Lord will not abandon His people. We just need to allow God to carry us always. Just like a child to be baptized, allowing him to be carried by a priest. Amen.